Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to change your resolution on NVIDIA GPU. So just simply click on NVIDIA Control Panel, open it, and here go to change resolution, select your monitor that you want to change your resolution, click on customize, click create custom resolution, also enable the resolution not exposed by display, create custom resolution, and here you can just put your pixels that you want to have. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and just click on test and apply it exactly here. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.